Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be discussing about the post market report for the day. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The American market last traded at 27,976, which was a fair hike of 289 points. Now coming on to the Indian markets, we could see that the Nifty was last seen closing today at 11,300 Indian rupees, which was down by minus 7.95 points. In terms of percentage, we saw it fell by 0.07%. Now coming on to the advances, there were 26 advances noted in Nifty 50, whereas 23 were the declines with only a single unchanged stock. Now coming on to the sectoral indices, the first one we have over here is Nifty Next 50, which was last seen closing at 27,515 rupees, with a fair jump of 134 points. In terms of percentage, we saw it in green by 0.49%. Now, there were 31 advances in Nifty Next 50, whereas the declines were 19 and 0 unchanged stocks were there in it. Next, in the sectorial indices comes the Nifty Mid Cap 50, which was last seen closing today at 4,604 rupees, with a fair jump of plus 98 points. There were 38 advances in Nifty Mid Cap 50, whereas 11 declines and 1 unchanged stock. Now coming on to the next sector, that is Nifty Auto sector, we saw Nifty Auto closing at 7,879 rupees. That was in green by 94 points, whereas there were 11 advances in it and 4 declines, whereas there were nil unchanged stocks in it. Now the last one, that is Nifty Bank, we saw it closing at 22,196 rupees, which fell by 67 points. That is in percentage, we can say it was in red by 0.30%, whereas the advances in it were 4 and the declines were 8, whereas no unchanged stocks were observed in it. Ultimately, we can say that the biggest sectorial fall was observed in Nifty Bank with 67 points in minus, and the biggest runner-up was Nifty Next 50 with 134 points in green. Now comes the Indian markets on the chart. As you can see in front of your screen, the Indian market opened up today with a gap up. The first two candles were bullish candles followed by a bearish candle for the next two. After that, the market consolidated here and there, but no particular high or lows were made. But approximately at 11:30 we saw a big fall in the market, after which there was a partial movement only, and the same nothing high on low were made in the market. If we see the FII and DII data for the day, we could see the total sales in DII were 939 crore rupees, whereas total buying was made in FII worth 351 crore rupees. Now, if we come on to checking for the particular stocks which contributed to the index, today ITC from cigarettes or tobacco industry was the one which contributed approximately 34.90, followed by HDFC Bank, which is a private bank. It contributed approximately 30.16. And after that, list of companies goes on. uh, mm, I have given you a brief idea of what were the top two. Now coming on to the top 5 gainers and losers for the day. From that we could see that Tata Motors, Larsen and Toubro, Aditya Birla Hindalco, Titan Company, Bharti Infratel Limited were considered as the top 5 gainers for the day. And on the other hand, if we say Sun Pharma, Eicher Motors, Airtel, HDFC Life, ITC were considered as the top 5 losers for the day. But ultimately, Tata Motors was considered as the topmost gainer for the day by a change of 4.59%. Now moving on to the quarter results, companies like Euroca Industries Limited, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited, Berger Paints India Limited, Greenply Industries Limited, Hindalco Industries Limited, Hindustan Composites Limited, India Bank Limited shall announce their quarter results tomorrow. Although the list is long, but I have enumerated only the ones which are known to us. Well, that's it guys. I hope you like the video. If you did like the video and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I will kindly request you to subscribe my channel. At the same time, I would request you to kindly click on the bell icon for timely updates. Also, do share this channel in your contacts. I hope to come up with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.